Color idioms you didn't know. Beet red. It means dark red, usually to describe face. Example: my sister's face turned beet red when I caught her singing in front of a mirror. Black and blue. It means bruised and beaten. Example: we found a poor guy black and blue near the train tracks. Black and white. It means very clear. Example: the rules we gave the kids were black and white. No answering the phone or the door. Blackout. It means faint. Example: I always black out at the sight of blood. Black sheep. It means bad member of the group. Example: my oldest brother was the black sheep in our family. He dropped out of school at 15. Born with a silver spoon in one's mouth. It means born into a rich family. Example: Keiko hasn't worked a day in her life. She was born with a silver spoon in her mouth. Catch red-handed. It means catch someone doing something illegal. Example: the kids were caught red-handed stealing chocolate bars. Golden opportunity. It means the perfect chance. Example: the models conference was a golden opportunity for me to sell my beauty products. Gray area. It means something without a clear answer. Example: writing personal email in the office is a gray area that needs to be discussed at the next meeting. The green light. It means permission. Example: the builders were given the green light to begin the tower. Green with envy. It means very jealous. Example: I am green with envy over Julio's new wardrobe. Have a green thumb. It means be skillful in the garden. Example: you can tell by her flower garden that Shayla has a green thumb. Have the blues. It means be sad. Example: I always have the blues during the winter time. In the dark. It means unaware. Example: Anthony left his wife in the dark about their honeymoon destination until they got to the airport. In the red. It means in debt. Example: when we were in the red, we almost had to sell the house. Once in a blue moon. It means very rarely. Example: we only go out for dinner once in a blue moon. Out of the blue. It means unexpectedly. Example: I got a phone call from a long-lost cousin out of the blue last week. Red tape. It means official tasks. Example: there's still some red tape to deal with in terms of the inheritance. Red eye. It means an airplane taking off at midnight. Example: I caught the red eye so that I would see the sunrise over the mountains. Roll out the red carpet. It means to treat someone like royalty. Example: when relatives come to town, my grandmother rolls out the red carpet. Rose-colored glasses. It means unrealistic view. Example: Paula imagines Hollywood with rose-colored glasses. See red. It means be very angry. Example: I saw red when that guy grabbed my sister's purse. Tickled pink. It means very pleased. Example: my mom was tickled pink when my father brought roses home for her. Can you say this one? White lie. For related videos, tap the screen and subscribe to my channel.